And for today's video, we're gonna get a hamster. But we don't have the hamster yet. We're gonna go get it together. But I have got a lot of stuff from Amazon for my future hamster. So let's do a quick little unboxing. So the first thing is a gate or fin, whatever you call that. They're flexible, so I can make them into different shapes in their little house as a decoration. How cute is that? They probably could chew on it too. My camera might die, actually. So let's do this quick. I got a lot of fun stuff. Very exciting. Oh my god, look, I got them food. I got really good natural snacks because I don't want my hamster to have diabetes and like other stuff. I don't know. I got them water bowl. I mean, I could have just used like a soy sauce dish, but these are so cute. And I also got them toys. Oh my god. These are loofahs. They probably can play with them. These are chew toys. Got a radish, a corn, and a carrot, and then some things they can chew on and play with. Hopefully the hamster likes it. Wow. So this is the brand I got. People say it's good. It's all like natural seed and stuff. I'm not really sure, but it's good. And then let's open this big one. What is it? Oh, this is the bedding. Oh my god, this is so much. You want to make sure your hamster has 6 inches of bedding because they like to play around and hide in them. Wow, this is really big. How do I get it out? This is quite heavy. Oh my god, this is the wheel.
Oh shit, it's bigger than I thought. A silent wheel.
Silent.
Speed.
So this is everything I got. I'll keep you guys posted when I get the hamster. Hopefully we're gonna go looking for them this weekend, and we see the one that we like because we want a baby one. We don't want a grown up one. So the hamster can stay with us for a longer period of time. And I'm so excited. I'm gonna be a pet parent, a fur parent. But okay, that's it for now. See you guys when I'm going to look for the hamster. Hamster time. We are in Petco, and I think today might be the day because the cages are arriving today. So let's see. That one is so cute. Okay, we're back home. Unfortunately, we did not get any hamsters today, but we're gonna go back to Petco on Monday because that's when they get their hamster shipments every Monday. So we're gonna build the thing right now. The box is here, and oh my god, I forgot to show you guys. The food bowl is here for the hamster. Look how cute. And this is to represent the Midwest, the cornfields where I'm from. And the hamster will just so cute. The hamster probably could fit in here. I hope it doesn't think this is like their bathroom or whatever. But I'm so excited to build this. Oh my god, the hamster mansion is here. The hamster is literally gonna be so spoiled. Oh my god. My hamster get to live in a mansion before I do. This cage is more expensive than a hamster itself. Like, isn't that a little crazy? I mean, I don't know. I never bought a cage for a pet, so I'm not really sure.
A few moments later.
super easy.
Super easy.
Super easy.
This is so, you guys heard it. It was very easy to build. Now we put this down to keep it from molding and what's the other one? Keep it from molding and what else?
Just protects the wood at the bottom. Yeah, but keeps mold from growing like on the wood.
Okay, now we gotta put bedding in here. You ready to decorate it? We're getting the house ready. This is the bedding we got. We watched this girl's Rachel. She posts a lot of.
If you're a hamster keeper, you know her.
Yeah, we watch a lot of like hamster videos, and she gives really informative
Ready? Oh, you got it.
stuff on hamsters. So if you're planning to get a hamster, you should watch her video or mine. Snowing! Oh my god!
Oh,
is it just all paper?
More.
No.
At least I think so. Guess we'll see.
Put this on here. Oh, perfect!
Nice.
Okay, now we're gonna decorate it. Where are we gonna put all the food and stuff?
Probably like under that cabinet because
No,
we're gonna
like
put them on the
in
cabinet.
here.
Oh
The
yeah.
water bowl is gonna fall over. We need another like.
Platform. We
Yeah.
can make another platform pretty easily.
Should we do one with these smaller boxes, or should we just buy a little
I think we should just buy a box or something because then he can crawl. Oh well.
like a hideout? Because
Yeah,
don't
we could.
have a
If we
hideout.
have a hideout, then you can just.
Okay. Oh my god, he can pee in there. This is so cute.
So he has privacy, I guess.
These are his chew toys. We are certified ready. Got a little carrot,
Care for him.
a little radish,
Planted it for.
a little corn. Maybe
You're
this one
funny.
goes upside down like this.
You're funny.
And then I'll give him a
Not
little
too
ball.
much. Yeah.
Fine. Okay, maybe if I'll take back this. This is too big.
Yeah, and just leave.
I'll give him a little heart.
Yeah. Okay.
We're ready for the hamster! Guys, today's the day. We're gonna go get the hamster, or at least we're gonna try. Because we don't know what color the hamster is. So we're gonna go to Petco and check it out today. So I'll see you at Petco. This one is a short-haired teddy bear.
Yeah.
It's the same one. And there's one sleeping in here.
It's long hair.
Long hair? Oh, it's good. I want them to come out. Alex, what if this one is cute? This one, I don't see them. Unfortunately, we come out empty-handed once again, but we were able to get a picture of the hamster, and the girl that was helping us took a picture, and she said that they just need to quarantine them for 72 hours to make sure that they don't have whitetail. Is that what it is? Whitetail? Wet tail. Like where they like have diarrhea or like sick or something. So they just want to make sure that they're stable and they're healthy before they sell it to us, which is good. But we were able to get the picture, and the hamster is so cute, guys. It's a peach and white color. I'm so excited to bring him home. I'm so happy. So me and Alex put our phone number down and our name, and they will give us a call when they are ready to be sold. Today is the third day that we're gonna try and go get a hamster. But I called yesterday to confirm, and they said we had come in today to pick him up, so we're gonna go get him! Okay guys, we're planning to see what we should name our hamster. So far we had Tanuki, because Tanukis have big balls, and male hamster have big balls. But comment down below if I should name the hamster Tanuki. This is my third time here this week. Okay, I don't know what happened to our hamster because this is the one we want, okay? They took a picture for us the other
That
day.
might be the one too.
No, look at the food bowl. It's so tiny. That one was like bigger than the food bowl. But anyways, they just
Size
showed
of my hand.
bigger.
I was scared.
The worker came and was like, hey, let's, a moment of truth, let's check your hamster.
It was a whole guinea pig.
It was this big. And I was like, oh, I literally got scared. I was like, that's not it.
A few moments later.
Let me see the hamster, Alex.
You see him?
We got the little tiny one.
Escape.
Oh my god. Well, they can catch it.
Look at him.
Look, it's him. He's so cute.
He's cute.
Okay, we're gonna take him home now.
Try to escape a little.
Okay, so we didn't get the hamster that we wanted because it was a little bit too big, and the first one he showed me was like really big, and it just scared the shit out of me because the first one was way too big that I got scared even while I was looking at the second one. I was like, this is still way too big. So now we got the tiny little baby. Look how tiny the thing is, just a tiny little box. Okay, let's take my shoes quick. I'm gonna go to the hamster to his house.
To his house.
I should wash my hands, right?
I think you just open it and let him crawl out.
Okay. Oh my god, I'm kind of scared. Not gonna lie.
Can I do it?
Yeah, you do it. It's moving.
Be free, little guy. You gave him water already?
Yeah, I give him water.
Oh god, you scared me.
Turn the box to the side. Did he already poop already?
He did. He pooped himself. Oh, we can and peed.
And peed?
Be free, little guy. You can be free.
Aww.
He's going. He's doing it. He's doing it.
Aww. Okay, pick up that poop and put it in there.
Okay.
This one right there. He's running. Is this wheel too big for you, little buddy? Oh, he's digging. He's digging.
He's doing it.
Oh. Hi.
He thinks we're gonna eat them, apparently.
Look at his whiskers. Oh, he's chewing on them. He's playing with it. He likes it already, baby. Look.
It feels the most safe back there.
We're gonna feed him. We'll try to feed him first.
Whoa, this is kind of fast.
Should I give him a corn? A corn or sunflower? Probably a corn.
Oh, look, he's in the food. He's in the food
No,
bowl.
that's your food bowl, dude.
Drop him one. Give him one. You scared him. He's not. He scared the fuck out of him.
Anyways, it's nighttime, so we have the lights off so that Doro can feel comfortable getting up. And we also made him a little house, and I'm about to go put it in. He's running away from you. Are you trying to touch him? So we've been playing with him every night just for him to get used to us. Did he smell you? Oh, so cute. Doro is out again. We just fed him some asparagus and he liked it. But this is his setup for now. We have the box because we need to find a good size house for him. That's his sand bath, wheel, little area that I'm trying to train him to poop. And then he has his little hideout, his food and water station. So
He's
cute.
like a little ball.
This is it for this vlog. Welcome Doro to the family, and this is it for this vlog. Bye guys.
Doro's current living standards right now. He has a little bridge. And he has a little house under there.
That's a lot of poop.
Oh, the poo! It's so much poo. What the frick? But he's in there somewhere. We gotta clean up his poo.
Yeah, he dig holes.
He dig holes and he goes under there and he drinks water there. And his sand bath.
Have a little bridge.
Yeah. Bridge guy.